Hey, welcome to weekly test series. This is the August first week test series from the chapter D and F block elements class 12th chemistry subject. Just pause the video, write down the answers in the comment box, or also you can ask your doubt regarding the question. The first question of the test series is the why is cerium 4 positive used as an oxidizing agent in the volumetric analysis? Write down the electronic configuration of the chromium 3 positive ions. Write down the electronic configuration, general electronic configuration of the lanthanoid. Name a lanthanoid which is well known to show the plus 4 oxidation state. Why do transition element show variable oxidation state? Write down the electronic configuration of copper 2 positive ion. Why is zirconium and hafnium have almost same atomic radii? What is lanthanoid contraction? Why do zinc, cadmium, mercury are not considered as transition element? Write the electronic configuration of Mn2 positive ions. Why is lanthanum hydroxide is more basic? What is the oxidation state of iron in this particular complex? Why do transition element form the colored compound? And also write down the electronic configuration of chromium having the atomic number that is the 24. Why do transition element show the catalytic properties and also give a difference between the lanthanoid and the actinoid? Why do transition elements form the complexes? Write down the electronic configuration of copper positive ions. Why are zinc 2 positive salts white while copper 2 positive salts are blue? What is the general trend in the stability of plus 3 oxidation state in the first transition series? Why do transition element show variable oxidation state? Write down the electronic configuration of Fe3 positive ferric ions. Why do transition element form alloy? What is the main difference between the lanthanoid contraction and the actinoid contraction? Why are Mn2 positive compound are more stable than Fe2 positive compound towards the oxidation of plus 3 oxidation state? Write down the electronic configuration of chromium 2 positive ions. Why do transition element show magnetic properties? What is the effect of lanthanoid contraction on the basic strength of lanthanoid hydroxide? Why do transition element form interstitial compounds? And also write down the electronic configuration of cobalt 3 positive ion. Why do transition elements show variable oxidation state? It is already asked in last year. What is the general electronic configuration of the lanthanoid? Why do zinc, cadmium, mercury, soft metals? Write down the electronic configuration of Mn2 positive ion. Why do transition element form complexes? What is the oxidation state of manganese in potassium permanganate? Why do transition elements show catalytic property? Write down the electronic configuration of Cu2 positive ions. Why do transition elements form colored compounds? What is lanthanoid contraction? Why do transition elements show variable oxidation state? Write down the electronic configuration of iron 2 positive, that is the ferrous ions. Why do transition element form alloy? What is the main difference between the lanthanoid and the actinoid? Why do zinc 2 positive compounds white while the copper 2 positive compounds are the colored? Write down the electronic configuration of Cr3 positive ions. Why do transition elements show magnetic properties? What is the effect of lanthanoid contraction on the atomic and the ionic radii of the elements? Why do transition element form interstitial compound? And write down the electronic configuration of nickel 2 positive ions. Just write down the answers in the comment box. In the next video I will solve all the questions. Thank you so much for watching.